Extending healthy lifespan in mice. Can cannabinoids help us break the record for the world's oldest mouse? Help us find out. You might be suffering from a cannabinoid deficiency. All animals, including you, have an endocannabinoid system. This recently discovered physiologic system plays an essential role in regulating overall health and wellness in the body. When the system breaks down, the result can be injury, disease, and death. Clinical endocannabinoid deficiency, CECD, has been implicated in the development of a growing list of aging-associated diseases, such as type 2 diabetes, Alzheimer's disease, inflammatory diseases, heart disease, and cancer. What if we could eliminate this deficiency by replacing our body's lost endocannabinoids with plant-based phytocannabinoids? Could we slow the aging process and add a significant number of healthy years to the average human lifespan? We need your help to find out. Using cannabinoids to extend health span in mice. Team CPMC is a registered competitor in the M Prize for Healthspan competition. Healthspan is a measure of lifespan that emphasizes the total number of healthy years lived, rather than just the raw numbers. The M Prize was created by the Methuselah Foundation and is awarded for the development of interventions capable of extending the health span of an adult non-transgenic standard mouse strain. Team CPMC was assembled to compete for the M Prize by attempting to raise the world's oldest and healthiest laboratory mouse. Doctors Sean McAllister, PhD, and Pierre Deprez, PhD, are scientists at the California Pacific Medical Center Research Institute and are the lead researchers for Team CPMC. We designed this experiment to determine whether two compounds found in the cannabis plant, cannabidiol, CBD, and delta-9 tetrahydrocannabinol, THC, can be effective in treating clinical endocannabinoid deficiency and extend healthy life in mice. Cannabidiol, CBD, is a non-toxic phytocannabinoid that is increasingly being used in food and medicine. THC, another well-known phytocannabinoid, may be taken orally in food or as medicine, and has also been proposed to enhance the therapeutic effects of CBD. Due to CBD's wide range of pharmacological effects, as well as its antioxidant properties, our hypothesis is that CBD administered orally as sesame oil pellets, in combination or not with THC, in young, middle-aged, or old mice, will significantly increase their health span. We want to see if we can break the record for the world's oldest ever living mouse. The cost breakdown. The total cost for this project will be $175,000. This experiment will be conducted in 3 stages. Stage 1, $50,000, will determine the potential effects of CBD and/or THC on lifespan in 16-month-old female C57BL6 mice, which will be randomly assigned to one of 4 experimental groups, 15 per group, 1 control group, and 3 groups tested with different concentrations of CBD and/or THC. Stage 2, $75,000, will repeat the Phase 1 experiment with a second population of mice that will begin receiving the therapy at sexual maturity and will be allowed to reproduce. Stage 3, $50,000, will use the offspring of the Phase 2 mice. This group will receive the cannabinoid therapy from utero to end of life. The mice will be kept in plastic cages containing sawdust bedding, 4 mice per cage, in an animal holding room that will be maintained at 21 to 24 degrees Celsius and 40 to 60% relative humidity with a 12-hour light-dark cycle. The mice will be provided food, Purina certified laboratory chow, and all the water they need. Real science, real-life implications. The use of cannabinoids in food and medicine has increased significantly over the past decade and promises only to become more widespread as doctors recommend medical cannabis for an ever-increasing number of ailments. But the long-term effects of phytocannabinoids in our diet needs to be better understood. This project should yield a wealth of useful data on the relationship between cannabinoids and the diseases associated with aging. But the project also promises to be great fun. The M Prize for Healthspan is a competition designed to produce a quantum leap in regenerative medicine. So in the spirit of that competition and human progress, Team CPMC is on a mission to produce the world's oldest ever mouse and win that prize. But we need your help to do it. The current record is 1,356 days. In order to qualify to win the M Prize, at least one of our mice will need to exceed that mark by 5% for a total of 1,424 days. Please support this project and make a contribution today. Thank you. Find this campaign on Facebook at facebook.com/TeamCPMC and on Twitter at TeamCPMC.